right, this question, there is a concept that you can apply by focusing on that one special phrase. And that special phrase is equal to. Equal to, whenever you see this phrase equal to, straight away think of the equal concept. Okay, if you have the equal concept, you're going to identify where is the part and where is the total, and you need to focus that the part must be the same. This is your thought process in your brain. Okay, so okay, I want to apply equal concept, and by applying the equal concept, I need to identify where are the parts and where are the totals of the two fractions. How do I do that? We zoom into the fraction. So 1/3 of David's money, okay, is equal to half of Shafiq's money. So 1/3 means it is 1 unit. Ayo. Okay. So 1/3 means it is 1 unit. And then David 1/3, 1 unit, 3 units. Shafiq 1 unit, 2 units. Right? So you have units and units. So where is the part and where is the total? This is my part and this is my total. This is my part and this is my total. If they have 1165 means this is their total together. This is their all together. Means both total. Okay, both of them total. How much money does Shafiq have? Okay, so we need to draw out my table. I don't want to draw using the box. I scared the thing will be erased. I'm going to draw freehand. So we draw the table. We have the part and the total. And then don't put BCA. This is not BCA. This is not before, change, after. Okay, you cut it into half. You put the names of the people in the story, David and Shafiq. Okay, so we fill up. So David part is 1 unit. David total is 3 units. Shafiq part is 1 unit. Shafiq total is 2 units. You need to focus on the part. So you look at the part, this and this must be the same. Are they already the same? Yes, which means nothing happened to them because it's already the same. Then we know that they have a total of 1165. Where is the total? Look at the total. This and this. The total means you plus together. So 3 unit plus 2 unit equals to 5 unit. That represents the total that they have all together. Okay? Ayo. Okay, so that represents the total that they have together. 5 unit is 1165. Okay, 1 unit is 1165 divided by 5. And I get $233. I want to know how much Shafiq have. So Shafiq have, you cannot look at the parts, but look at Shafiq's total. This one. So 2 units is what I want. So 233 times 2 equals to $466. That's your answer. Okay, so this is the equal concept where you need to identify the parts and the total from each of the fraction given. Okay.